Here are some more tips for you so that you could have a successful product launch. One thing you may want to consider is to do a pre-launch to build up the anticipation, similar to that of a movie or a sporting event. And this is also a great way to build your list, as all the traffic will be going to a squeeze page. Now, how long should your pre-launch be? Generally, nowadays, the few marketers who still do pre-launches, they generally do it between 3 days and maybe 1 day before launch. A few years ago, there were a lot of marketers that were doing pre-launches, and pre-launch, it was common from my memory to see pre-launches last for 7 days before launch. But nowadays, very few marketers do pre-launches, and the ones that do pre-launches for maybe just 1 or 3 days before launch. Okay, but this is something you may want to consider to create buzz and to increase the sales of your launch. Okay, another thing that you may want to consider, and this is actually something that I would highly recommend, and that is to put an exit pop-up on your sales page so that when someone tries to close your web page, a message will pop up saying, "Wait, would you like to stay on this page and we'll offer a free gift?" I'm sure you've seen those exit pop-ups before, and what this does is it captures the leads that you may have lost forever, that weren't going to buy anyways, and you could have autoresponder series that will automatically follow up with these leads and try to promote the main offer with them. But most importantly, you are still building a list through this method, and you could promote affiliate products later down the road. Lastly, this tip I want to give is, well, it may not be for everybody, but what you may want to consider is a strategy of offering 100% commissions across the entire funnel. So 100% commissions on the front end and the upsells and downsales. Now, the downside of this, of course, is that you're going to have less profits during your launch. The benefit of this is that you're going to attract more affiliates because affiliates um, will will make more money with your launch. And if you have more affiliates promoting, well, you're just going to have more customers, more buyers, and just a bigger list of responsive leads that you could promote to later down the road with affiliate promotions. But again, this method may not be for everybody, so it's something that you may want to think about before trying, especially if you are in desperate need of funds. Then I would probably tell you to just go ahead and offer 50% commissions in the upsells and downsells. But again, everybody's situation is different. But this method, this 100% commissions across the funnel, is a strategy that is being implemented by some marketers, and some marketers are seeing great success with it. But again, it's something that you should test out, or think about. It may not be for you, but just consider it. Okay, so with that said, I wish you the best of luck with your product launch.